This has to be the craziest thing AI can do. It can vibe code entire apps. This app was created with just 2 prompts using Google AI Studio. And if you stick around, I'll show you exactly how this works and how you can build your own web app in as little as 5 minutes. So it's called Google AI Studio, and what we want to focus on is this Build tab, because this is where we can build our own web apps directly with Google. Now, what we're going to do is just describe your own idea in this Build Your Ideas with Gemini. Now I'm going to paste this in. This is actually a real example I gave. I was just on a Zoom call with someone where I gave this example of creating a web app that builds a custom workout routine for swimmers based on their age, weight, and goals. Then after giving them a custom plan, invite them to book a call to discuss the results and how we can coach them. So what this is going to do is build an entire web app. And this is a real world example of what you can do. Now you can add in existing files. Let's say you have your own game plan and routine. You can choose a different model to use. There's some custom settings here. But in general, we're just going to go ahead and click build. And what it's going to do is start coding this entire app for us. Check this out. It's building all the databases. And we can type whatever changes we want down here. I'll show you an example of that in just a second. Wow, would you look at that? Aqua Coach AI, unlock your potential in the water, and it's got a full routine. So you put in your age, your weight, choose your skill level, and then choose your primary goal. And it's got a few drop downs. Remember, all of this was made from that one single prompt, and then click Generate Plan, and it will build an entire plan. This is a full web app that was designed, and it's actually going to build an entire plan for the people looking at this. Look at this. It builds a plan of the warm up, the drills, all the different things. Then it says, want to go faster? Book a strategy call. And that's exactly where you can link people to your calendar. And so you can add any changes that you want to add in here as well. So you can implement progress tracking. So you can say that, add a feature to track user progress over time. Click go, and it will add that feature into the app. And just like that, it added a progress tab where you can track your progress over time. It even has the coaching portal as well that people can go into. Now, it actually coded this entire application without me needing to know how to write a single line of code. And of course, I can preview the entire thing. And then here's the crazy part. I can go up here to deploy app, and I can actually use Google Cloud to deploy this application, and then it's on the web for anyone to use. So now anyone can create any software, any web app without knowing how to code using Google's own tool. Now, if you found this valuable, make sure you follow for more. We got a lot more AI videos coming your way, and I'll see you in the next one.